Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on that Jetta MK6 here, and we'll show you how to remove door panel on the rear door. Stay with us, we're gonna show you now that door panel. There is a few hidden tricks, bolts here, so you need to know what you're doing before you remove it, otherwise you can break it like we've done in the past. So stay with us guys. So first we need to use a prying tool, and there is a couple clips on that trim piece there that we need to find a way to remove it somehow. Never been removed, the car has only 30,000 miles, so everything is still pretty tight, hasn't been apart yet. You know, when you take a few things apart once. Okay, the one clip came out. Okay, a few more here. It's holding pretty good. Okay, once we remove it guys, we'll show you where exactly the clips are on that panel, so you know what to expect. Okay, right there. Now next thing, we'll need to disconnect the wire. Next we have one bolt that we'll need to remove later there, but here now we need to use a prying tool, and this is a little bit more complicated here. We need to remove that trim actually. Okay, you see, like that, and it comes towards the back. Once you get it loose, it pulls towards the back. That's the trim, and we're doing that because there is a hidden bolt underneath there. Also now, on the bottom here, turn the light on so you can see better. We need to remove that plastic. Well, actually you won't be able to. You don't need to, because there is a hole for the screw right here. On some models, on the front doors, they're right here. So with T30 now, we need to remove the bolt. It's still there, probably will stay there. Same tool for there. And one more under the window switch. Okay guys, we got this one out. They have a thread lock on those, so they're really hard to remove. On the bottom we have a screw with a T20 right there. We need to take care of that one, pull it out of there. We have many videos guys on that car. Don't forget to subscribe, support us so we can grow that channel big and reach more people and help them. Free videos. Okay, and now we need to start prying it. It's really tight if it's never been removed before. Believe me, there is a couple clips holding, probably 5-6 clips. And if you get your fingers underneath it with a prying tool and you pull, okay, you can see it's gonna come loose. Okay, just like that. And probably there is one more on top here. Sometimes you can help it a little bit with a screwdriver if they're stuck. Okay, like that. Don't damage your door or anything like that. The screw fell off, the one that we couldn't get. And we're gonna pull up, a little bit up. It's gonna come out of the groove. All we have to do now, disconnect the inner door handle. You just push like that, okay, and it comes like that. So let us show you now where all the clips are located. Okay, you can see 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So that's how you guys remove the door panel if you need to on Jetta Golf MK6. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.